Good morning, guys. It is Friday. Sorry I've been MIA for a day or so. I had some doctor appointments and honestly just feeling kind of under the weather, but I'm back at it right now. Just entered into a trade. You guys can actually see my entry right here. We're getting a nice little pullback. We're getting a pullback into the profit wave. So you guys, something that I really love to trade. This is something that Ron looks at as well during the live trading sessions on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And that's when you end up getting these pullbacks. You can look for continuations to the upside to see if we can get a push to then break through. Now, if we end up getting our background switching over and changing colors, that's going to be one thing where we can actually see it push down lower. But this is here on the 1 minute time frame. Price action a little bit slower today here on a Friday. But I want to see if we can get a push up here greater to then break through this and then end up hitting targets much higher. So this is how I want to be into playing this trade this morning. I want to have my stop loss right below this swing low right here. If we end up getting stopped out, we get stopped out. That is totally fine. But I do want to see if we can get a push a bit higher here. So I'm going to go and stay here with you guys and see if we can capitalize on a successful, profitable trade this morning. Now, you will notice the contracts that I'm trading are going to be higher. Yes, they are higher, which is totally fine because overall the risk management that I want to have on this trades is going to be close to a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And I want to be able to let trades just run and run longer and longer. Something that I'm just personally trying to get better at. It's something that just comes with trading. And, what I would suggest if you're starting off with this is if you want to try to hold trades longer, start with less contracts and then move to your contracts, maybe meaning like move up in your contracts as you're in profit within your trade. But if you guys get to a point within your trading where you see a physical gap and you can actually see a difference between the price where it's above your entry and you can put a stop loss there, go ahead and put a stop loss just so you have a kind of a guaranteed, commissions free trade on there, right? So go ahead and just have that as a barrier, just so you guys know exactly what's going to be traded. So here, this is going to be on the 1 minute time frame for NQ. I chose the 1 minute just because price action is a bit slower this morning. So let's actually go to the 3 minute here real quick and let's see what's happening there. Let's go to 3 minute. You guys know I love the 3 minute. Ideally, I love this more than anything. So here we go. Getting a little bit of a push this morning. So there's the push that we wanted to see going up. This is overall in the upward trend. You got that buy signal here. Profit wave switched over. I love how this is totally green too. This is all green. Profit wave is green. Brighter color on the top, fainter on the bottom. All green dots on the bottom here. Money momentum is overall shifting in the upward direction. That's what I love to see as well. Everything here just looks to be in a really good position to be able to continue higher. Now, looking left, we do have some resistance that is around this area. So I'm hoping to just see a push above this. And if we can, we're not going to be able to go to areas until like here. So even if we were to adjust this, right, let's just adjust this to right about here. That's going to be at the peak of this area. Can it run even further? Yeah, I'm sure it can. But you know what? Let's just stay with this like this and see if we can get a nice little push. Sometimes this market will move really quick, and that's where you want to capitalize on movements. But overall, guys, we're just green and green. I'm literally just playing the background trend. That's it. There's nothing else. You guys, go back to your charts right at this time. You can see this done right in front of you. This candle that's on here about 740. There we go. There's a nice push. There's about 500-600. I'm just going to let this run this morning. I'm not going to get too eager just to close it out right away. I want to make sure that I'm getting better at holding these trades to the upside more and more. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame, guys, to get a better look at overall price action. Because I really like this trend to just continue and just keep going higher and higher. There we go. If you guys follow me, and you have been following me here, actually, this is your addition candle. So this is your continuation candle right here, right? So what I'll do here for you guys, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go for my stop loss just above break even, just in case it comes back down and wants to stop me out. But you know what? Let's just hold it. Let's hold the trade, see how much we get. If we can make, that's 1,000 right there. There's 1,200. And let's just let this sucker run, because why not? If you're up in profit like this and the market just wants to go and go, just let it run. Now, we don't want to get greedy, though, so let's do this. Let's go back here for a second. Again, don't ever get greedy. Gosh, the market can turn on you in a second. Where do we say that resistance was? So here, let's go like that. Oh, that's so much easier. Oh, so much easier. Let's go like this. That was first resistance, right? So this would be our first TP zone, right? So let's go and actually have this right here. Let's go and say right at that area, let's see if we can come back over here. And if we end up hitting this, it's going to stop us out, right? So that was the first area of resistance that we saw. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Don't you stop me out. I want to actually do this so you guys can see this here. There we go. Get this chart all adjusted for you. Remember, that was the first TP. So if we end up hitting this zone right here, I'm going to call it a day and just get out of that trade. But overall, everything is still trending in the upper direction. You guys can see money momentum is in the top section here. That's really nice. I love that push. overall just green with green, just rocketing it. And remember, right now the trade's guaranteed. So what I'll do too is let's actually go like that. There we go. Trade hit and done. So that is it. I'll go and put it in the thumbnail of exactly how much that was. It was probably close to, actually, you know what? Yeah, that was incredible. Overall, just following that trend, just getting that push back up, probably close to 2,000, probably like $1,800 actually. And you guys look at this, bing, 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 bing. Something you can look at too with these trades is, take a look at the white dot. A lot of times the white dot will be the first indication of exactly how the trend is going, right? So if you look at these white dots and they're like 50% or more of these candles, and it's above, 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 that's where you can just get push, 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 push. If your background's green, your profit wave is stacked, your candles are forming in the right direction. You guys know I love this candle right here. This is literally your continuational candle. So I actually could have added to the position right here and play this up even further, but I didn't, and that's okay. That is totally all right in my book. I'll go in again, do a screenshot of showing you guys exactly how much that was on the thumbnail of this video so you guys can see. But that's a live trade done right in front of you. Was it trading more contracts than I normally do? It was 2 minis. It wasn't micros, it was 2 minis. But I feel comfortable when I'm in there to be able to have the risk to reward. The stop loss was always there. The stop loss gradually just got higher and higher. Once it was in profit, my stop losses moved just above break even, and then I just let trades run to the closest level of support or resistance. Looking left, as we just did on the 3-minute, all I did was just target the closest level of resistance. Can it go higher? Absolutely. But guys, would you be upset with, 1,500, 16, 1,700, whatever it was for the day, just doing that live in front of you guys? No, don't ever feel bad with that at all. Honestly, I would just get in, get out, call it a day, and just be done. So there it is, a trade done live right in front of you guys. And I will let you guys know all of these. Black Friday's on. Black Friday actually already started. All the metrics for NinjaTrader are on right now. And also for TradingView. And the big thing that I just announced recently is I actually have an affiliate named Ron who goes live every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the rest of this year. And my way of giving back to you guys, I am actually giving you a coupon code on here that is going to drop this down literally 99%, and it's only going to be 99 cents for an entire month for 12 live sessions that you can join right in front of you. Now, the way to do this is my way of giving back to you guys. If you go over to Take Profit Trader and you end up doing 5 50K accounts using promo code MyFutureSuccess, or just use this link here, shoot me a screenshot. I've had a few of you actually already do this already, and you're on the calls for free for another month. Not only will I add you to the calls that I personally do with myself and 30 other pro traders every first and third Friday to explain exactly how I look at the market and how I've had other people be successful. That's free for life just by grabbing 5 accounts. But in addition, I am actually personally paying for your first month with Ron to be able to see success. Just yesterday, I posted a video showing Ron going 6 wins, 0 losses, and I showed the exact screenshot. You know what? It might actually still be up here. Here it is. Actually, here it is, right here. I didn't realize I didn't take it down. This was yesterday's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Live environment. Everyone able to follow along. Just over $500. 6 wins, 0 losses on Thursday, the 13th, just yesterday. So you guys can't make this up. The screenshot was just sent over. So I do get a slight kickback from TPT. Okay, so my way of saying this is, you know what? I'm going to take the kickback that I get and I'm going to pay it forward to you guys and show you how powerful this trading environment is with Ron when you grab those accounts. So shoot me an email when you're there. Guys, I hope you had an amazing week. It is Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Kiss your loved ones. Have a great time. I'm going to get back on here next week. Hopefully the voice gets a little bit better from not feeling so well. And thank you guys so much for the support. I really love all of you guys here. And if you have any questions, concerns, anything, drop the questions in the description here, or just send me an email. I'm transparent, open to everything here. So there it is. All right. Great way to end a Friday. Take care, guys.